guys, so I'm about to start on my sister's paddle that she wanted. So I'm gonna show you guys all of the things that I have so far, but I am gonna spray paint it pink because you know their colors are pink and green. And this is the paddle boat here, and I'm about to spray. We have the pearls that I decided to wrap around the paddle. They do come in a long strip. I decided to first start out using the strips on the paddle, so it's kind of like a sticky material. Later on, I decided to glue them on individually. Now, it did take a long time to glue them on individually, so you can use the strip, but I decided to do the individual way, and I love that it turned out really good how I wanted it. But just keep in mind, if you do the individual ones, that it will take a long time, and you do have to make sure that they're straight, that you don't have any spaces. But yeah, you can definitely do either or to get the final resort, so stay. Next up, I took the letters. So first, I wanted to see if I liked the letters with green paint instead of spray painting them. Again, that's what I love about like DIY projects. You can always mess up and you can always clean it up the way that you want it. So as I was painting this, I noticed that this was not how I wanted the letters to look. So I later on decided that, hey, this is not looking good for me. This is not working. I want it to look clean. I don't want anything to look like it's not done. And so I said, you know what? Let's just go ahead and spray paint it. So this is where you see me looking at the letter. You see how that was like 2 coats, I believe. So now you see that I am getting my green spray paint and going over the letters with green paint. So stay tuned for that.